It means a lot to us. But you know, I normally don't give speeches or I don't like being in pictures. But today I wanted to take the mic because it's been a long journey. You know? So after God, I want to thank my parents, mom and dad, if you got a huge round of applause. The sacrifices they made. If I list them, we'll be standing here until the evening. Thank you so much for everything that you do, mom and dad. I love you guys.
Yeah.
After that, I have my siblings, my big brother Ali, Amna, Usman, Hina. Thank you for always uplifting me, being there and guiding me. I appreciate you guys. Other than that, all the uncles, Uncle Shah, all the beautiful uncles that are standing next to me, your score, Uncle Piaz, you guys have always seen me since a kid, pushed me to be my best, and I appreciate that. Moving along, it's not easy running a business. You need a strong team, and I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for my uncles, Mamu Mazhar, and Uncle Imran. Day and night with our other pharmacies that broke their backs, and they're a big reason why we're here today. And another shout out is to my right hand man, Raviz, and his dad. If we can get a big round of applause for this project. This process, I had a vision last year. I met up with Uncle and Raviz. Overnight, they started the work. They said, don't worry, you got to. And this is a gift from them. And lastly, to my rock, my wife Zoe. It's true, behind every king there's a queen. And ever since we got married, she's been pushing me. I've been working day and night, and she's always pushed me to be the best. And I love her.
Beautiful.
Welcome everyone. I hope everyone enjoys on this special, beautiful day. Central Care Pharmacy, we're here for you guys, the community. Let's have some fun today. Thank you.
I want to acknowledge a few elected officials that are here today, took the time out of their busy day to be here with us. Our great town clerk, Kate Murray. The mayor of the greatest village in America, Valley Stream, Mayor Ashbear. Our great senator who represents this area, Senator Patricia Cantanari Fitzpatrick. And last but not least, our next Town of Hempstead Supervisor, John Ferretti. And of course, for those of you that don't know, I'm also running for office.
Really?
And I'm running right here out of District 14, Valley Stream and Limbrook. So in November, make sure you come out and vote Row B all the way. Thank you.
I'd like to thank you everyone, especially my community, all my friends. They are together today. And thank you so much for short notice. My community always stands with me, and I really appreciate that. So I'd like to thank you, our county executive. He has some other commitments, he's not here today. So I really appreciate all of you guys, especially our elected officials and our Human Rights Commission Chairman, Mr. Bobby Gulati. And we are here, we need to support our elected officials. So, inshallah, November 4, we have to be like, say, my son, Row B. Row B. Inshallah.
Terrific. So we're going to do a little countdown. If you want to take your pictures before, I need everybody to help me. We're going to go down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
DJ, play the music.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.